Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today is January 21st. It's Tuesday, and today we are launching another product. So I'm launching my last style for my winter campaign today. So I have a lot of content to do. I'm actually running behind real bad. It's almost 12:30. So I'm about to go get my lashes done really quick, and then I'm gonna head back to my studio. And y'all, first of all, thank y'all so much for all of the amazing comments on my videos, and I'm glad to have found my little tribe with the 30 and up entrepreneurs, because I was like, where they at? Because I got tired of seeing looking at the teenagers and the early 20-year-olds. Like, I was like, I know it's some entrepreneur women that's 30 and up. Where are they? So I'm still trying to build this little tribe, and I want to do a little community group too, of all the women, to kind of like, so we can network a little bit more. Shoot, plan trips. I would love to do stuff like that. Not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, I had a real like moment. Like, I went to go sit in my mall parking lot, the mall out here. I went to go sit in the parking lot, and I just like broke down in tears. Not because anything is wrong or anything bad has happened. It's just that being a business owner and being like so extremely freaking overwhelmed with everything, like you don't have a lot of people to talk to who understands owning a business. Like, you can't vent to anybody because they don't understand. They'll just be like, girl, go get a 9 to 5. And I ain't had a 9 to 5 in almost 10 years. And I ain't gonna start now. My business is doing absolutely amazing. Like, I mean, it's just that it's a lot, you know? Like, it's a lot to freaking carry every day. And being a mom of 3, being a wife, it's just a lot. And sometimes the reason for my tears was because I haven't learned how to quiet my mind yet. Like, I don't know how to turn entrepreneurship off. Like, when I leave my studio or leave my warehouse, I don't know how to say, turn the switch off, Rashida, turn it off. Turn it off. Because y'all, I swear, I will drive down the street and my mind just go of ideas. And I really just want to, even when I go get a massage, I am thinking about entrepreneurship. Like, what can I do? What kind of content can I push out? What's trending right now? Ooh, let me think of the next style that I want to drop. What's the email that I should say? Like, it's always going and going and going and going and going and going. And I just want to know how to turn it off. Have y'all had that problem? Like, do y'all go through that? Y'all let me know. Entrepreneurs need a safe space, like somewhere to just go vent. You know what I'm saying? Like, especially 30 and up, I just feel like we need a space to go and like, y'all, I ain't had a good day today. I'm a little stressed. You know, and even when you meet your goals, like, it's not even because the business isn't doing well, everything is slowing down. It's just the simple fact that maybe you didn't meet your goals for the day. Well, maybe you met your goals for the day and you're just like exhausted. In your mind, although you met your goals, your mind's still going, and you be like, girl, shut up. Like, stop just for a second. Just stop. And I just broke down because I was just like, oh my God, I'm so tired. And it's not physically tired, it's mentally tired of my mind constantly going. That's what my tears was. Crazy is ghetto, y'all, but we wouldn't change being an entrepreneur for the world. Like, we crazy as hell for this. Like, are we okay for wanting to do this shit? Like, everybody want to be an entrepreneur and quit their 9 to 5 just to go and work for themselves 24/7. My lashes done, and I'm back at my studio. I'm putting together the look that I want to do for this drop. I'm gonna drop tomorrow. So these are the boots that I'm dropping. These are the Kenya boots, and I think I'm gonna do those boots, and then this dress. And I wanted to do like a stocking with this dress. I completely forgot to get the stocking from home. I forgot to put the stocking, and then I'm gonna make it like a little pop. I'm gonna make it pop with this jacket that I got from Forever 21. And I don't know if I want to go outside and take pictures. I don't know, because it's extremely cold outside. But this is the look. So this is the look. The color is a little off on camera, but once I put everything together, it's going to be really, really cute. And it's crazy because I really don't even feel like taking pictures, but I know I have to do it. I got to get this done. Because I have to sit here and do my email campaign. So I'll probably just go ahead and get that out the way. But let me show y'all what I'm wearing today. These are one of the boots that like did really well when they dropped. The denim ones, I have red ones like this and black ones. And these are like Bailey thigh-high boots. They are so cute and comfortable. This is a closer look at the Bailey boots. Love them. Love, 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 love them. They are denim. And as you can see, they are huge, wide calf, and they wide, thick thigh friendly. So those are those boots. I wore the red ones the other day when I took myself out on a date to go see, what's that movie with Keke Palmer and SZA? One of them days. I actually liked the movie. A lot of people did not like that movie, but I love that movie. I think people were, you know, didn't like it because it was like, why do we have to always attach black people to that stereotype of living in the hood? But I don't even think it's about the stereotype. I just think it's simply people can relate to it. You know what I mean? Like, that's people really go through shit for real like that. And so those people who are actually going through it right now in this present really can relate to it. I mean, I didn't, thank God I didn't have it rough to where, you know, I had to stay in the projects or anything, but baby, I was in the hood, okay? We grew up in the hood for sure. It wasn't the projects, but it was definitely the hood. But I wouldn't walk through that hood now, okay? It's a different type of hood from when we was growing up. I was born in '88, so growing up like in the early 90s in the hood, baby, you could walk around safe, ain't nobody gonna bother you, like you good in the hood. Now, shit, I'm not going there. Please, some folks don't know me. I've been gone. Long time ago. I've been gone. They do not know me. My name don't hold no weight in the hood no more. Now, if I go with my cousin, then you know, because his name still hold weight in the hood, you know, but me? Child. I was one of those people like, I'm with him. I'm with my cousin. Alright, I'm gonna listen to some music. And I'm about to get to work. Okay, so makeup is done. Real light, nothing too heavy, but it's done. Now I'm about to get dressed. I think I did really good on my makeup. Y'all, I used to pay like $100 something every time I wanted to get my makeup done. Who? Shout out to TikTok and YouTube, because it ain't nothing to do with a little, what is it? Child, you know the shit, but what is it? Concealer, you know, nothing. Do your own makeup and get in front of that camera and promote your businesses. That's what we about to do. Let me put on this dress and we about to get to work. Y'all, this look is so freaking cute. So I'm putting everything together. I'm gonna sit y'all down. These are the boots that I'm dropping. These are the ones that I started to do. These are the ones that's coming in extra wide calf now. So, these are coming in extra wide calf, and I can't wait for the girls to tell me about the sizing. So, I only got a limited pair for these in the extra wide calf because I want feedback. I'm looking for feedback with these shoes. I'm not necessarily looking, you know, this is a trial run with the sizing for these. So they come in the wide calf and they're gonna come in extra wide calf. But this look, oh my God, so cute. What do y'all think? Okay, we're gonna add, I want to do this jacket for a pop of color. Let's see how this looks. I love this brown. Now, I ain't wore this jacket in years. So your girl probably, oh, come on. All right. Oh, y'all love this together. This is so cute. Like it. So I'm gonna be filming on this back wall, and I'm gonna show y'all how I film my content. But this is the look. Turn around so y'all can see. I'm so out of breath. This is what we looking like. Oh my God, I might wear this to date night with my husband, because these heels are only 3-inch high, so they are so comfortable. They are extremely comfortable. Something that you can wear all night, so they're not too high. I'm bloated, y'all, because I just ate, so I got to suck this in. I just had food, and that was stupid. I don't know why I did that. And I'll pair this. So I want to do like a real, I don't know, I think I should go outside with this, but this is so cute. Okay, let's get started. Use my my DSLR camera, but I have it set up on my computer, so I don't feel like taking it down. So I'm gonna use my phone for this, because in portrait mode and in cinematic mode, pictures eat. Like they look really, really good. So I'm gonna do it on my phone. So, and my audience loves this mirror type content. I'm gonna put this over here out of the way. So I have my camera set on like 3x zoom, so that I can get a real cinematic effect. I can't see, so we're gonna see how this goes. On a tripod. Come over some. So I have my camera set up over here to look in the mirror to reflect off me, and I can see it. Oh, that looks so good. Taking my pictures, and I just want to give y'all a little tip real quick. So you can see I'm taking pictures on my phone, and I have this little Bluetooth thing to automatically take my pictures. But y'all know how complicated it is. You can't see if you're in frame on the phone, right? So I just have it mirrored on my iPad. So I can turn y'all around. See, it's mirrored on my iPad. Hey y'all. Oh wait, that's the phone over there. So I have it mirrored on my iPad to make sure I'm in frame. I have my mirror right here, so that I can see my poses and stuff. And I have my remote. So see, it's taking pictures with my remote, and I just pose. My phone is over there taking pictures. I have my 3-point light, so I have a softbox here, my main source here, and another softbox here, and this is set up. And we about to go look at these pictures to see how they came out. Let me see if there's any ones that I like. Clean out my area. I hate working in a junky area. Before I, stop and get relax and start to edit my photos, I'm gonna go ahead and start looking at these pictures to see. Usually I'll use this camera. It's a camera up here, and I'll usually use that camera to kind of like do all of my content on, but I don't feel like taking it off that this boom arm, so I'm taking them on here. But these pictures, oh my God, they came out nice. Use your back camera, y'all. I'm telling y'all, portrait mode on the 3x zoom is chef freaking kiss. Look at that. It looks so good. They came out, it's gonna go crazy. So my trick is with selling my shoes, I don't necessarily sell the shoes. Like if I was just to make a video and say, hey y'all, look at these boots, they look nice, they're cute, whatever, they're gonna sell, but they're not gonna do as much. You have to put the look together, y'all, and show them what it's gonna look like after they get dressed up, they get real cute, fine, or whatever. You got to show them the transformation and not necessarily sell the product. So now that I did all of my little cute, because I did a video as well, and take a look at that too. I feel like I got a good picture. Y'all, I am finally finished with recording. Oh my God. When I start to edit and stuff, I have to be like in a certain mood. Like I love for my studio to be like really, really dark. So I'm about to turn off all these lights and get in my editing mood so I can get comfortable, so I can be extremely comfortable, y'all. But I took a ton of pictures, ton of videos, and I'm about to go ahead and schedule them out. So I like to do it a day before, and I'm gonna go ahead and schedule them all out for tomorrow. So while this snow mess is going on tomorrow, I'll be making some cha-ching, cha-ching. So I'm gonna go ahead and schedule it out so I don't have to stress myself out tomorrow about trying to come into the office and do this work. I can already have it done, because when I go home, I don't like to work. I like to be in mommy, wife mode, in relaxed mode. I don't like to, I try not to work, but you know, that don't always happen. So I'll stay here as late as I need to try to get some work done. And my husband will call and be like, you all right, you good? Like, I'm fine, just working. So I'm about to get some work done, y'all, and schedule all this stuff out. Thank y'all so much for coming with me with this launch. When I do my next video, I am going to tell y'all how the launch go. I'm going to pick up this camera all the time and record my journey, and I hope it helps somebody in their business. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. My subscribers is going up, y'all. I am so excited for my little 600. I'm at like 680 subscribers. That may be nothing to somebody, but it's a lot to me because this is so exciting. But thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.